Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel, expand it, and find your Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. And once you find it, you can tap on it to turn it on immediately with whatever the default parameters are set. Now additionally, you can also hold the toggle, which will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it actually functions. So as an example, we have people, so this will include who can call you and message you. You can go into calls as an example here, and you have steered contacts, which are just favorite contacts. You can add them. In general, just all contacts, anyone, defeating the purpose of this mode, and no one. With no one, additionally, I will just kind of select this because it's the easiest way to kind of describe this. So you have this toggle at the bottom, allow repeated callers, and if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass whatever you have set. So as you see right now, it will be set to none. No one should be able to call me. But with this enabled, if anyone calls me twice within that 15-minute period, they will completely bypass this option. Now, normally this would kind of defeat the purpose of Do Not Disturb mode, but this option would more cater to emergencies where people really want to get a hold of you and they will spam call you till you pick up. And this will actually allow them to reach you, so you will be aware that someone has an emergency usually in these circumstances. Anyway, messages, same thing as calls minus the repeated callers. And if we go back, we also have a couple other options. So we have alarms and other interruptions. You can choose what kind of alarms and interruptions go through just with toggles. We have schedule, which will obviously allow you to set up a schedule, date of the week and time. So you don't actually have to turn it on at all yourself. It will be done automatically. And then we have the duration whenever you tap on the toggle. So we have until turn off, which is the default one. We have for a specific amount of hours, which you can change right here. Now, changed right here will be kept as you have set it up right here. So every time I tap on the toggle, it will turn on for 3 hours in this case. And then we have ask every time, which is the best of both worlds, because every time you actually tap on this, it will bring this window up and you can check if you want to have it on permanently until you turn it off, or for a specific amount of hours, which you can change every single time you tap on the toggle. And then we have also some options for notifications, but that's basically it. So once you set it up the way you want, you can either have it in a schedule mode, so you don't actually have to toggle it on or off in here. And if you're trying to do it manually, as you've seen, all you need to do is tap on a toggle, choose if you want to do one or the other, assuming you went with ask every time. If you didn't go with this option like I did, then once you tap on a toggle, it automatically becomes enabled, which right now I just turned it on, and you can see if it's on or off because the toggle will be glowing like it is right now. And if you want to turn it off, tap on it again and now it's off. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.